Tweet, tweet. That's bird talk for Let's Sing About It.
Who wrote the rule that said a thing with feathers absolutely